Hello everybody, we are in science. It is May 5th and it is Tuesday. So for our opening, we're going to read our learning target for our mini lesson. You guys are going to be trying to copy down our chapter review. For our work period, you're going to watch my YouTube video named Understanding Weather, Day 4, and you're going to copy down the notes. So let's start. Learning target. I can construct an explanation of the relationship between air pressure, fronts, and air masses and how they impact the formation of meteorological events such as thunderstorms and tornadoes. Our mini lesson. Mini lesson, you guys are just going to try to go to the assignments page and get this Understanding Weather Review Guide. I will actually try to put it in a PDF today and see if that works better for you. It may not. Just try it, see what happens. Our work period, we're going to do these slides. So, describe the different forms of precipitation. Well, we know we have rain, which is falling drops of liquid water. We know snow, which is falls when the temperature is below freezing, and sleet, rain that freezes as it falls, and hail, it's made of balls of ice. So this is what you guys should have written down. Rain is the most common form of precipitation and are water droplets that form from the sky. If it's in red, that means it's super important, okay? So rain, most common form of precipitation, right? It rains a lot more than it snows or hails or sleets. Sleet, it's precipitation that freezes as it falls. It's freezing rain, guys. Snow, water vapor that changes to a solid. It changes into a snowflake. Hail, precipitation that is made of snowballs. Explain how hurricanes are formed is the next question. I kind of showed you guys a thunderstorm start and it turns into a tropical depression. What I really want you guys to know is that it is over ocean water, okay? That is how a hurricane is formed. Always formed over the ocean. Hurricanes do not form over land, guys, only over the ocean. How are tornadoes formed? It forms when cold, dry air meets warm, moist air and it starts to spin. Okay? And then it turns into a funnel, and it's not a tornado until it actually touches down. Okay? It has to touch the ground. And this is what you write right here. List 2 ways to keep yourself safe during severe weather. I got this because I thought it was really cool. It was off the National Weather Survey site, but it basically says that you get low to the ground and you stay on like a bottom floor, and you also need to be making sure that you're listening to the weather reports. So I wrote that down. Stay low to the ground, super important, and listen to weather reports frequently. And take notes from home as you're closing. So that's all it, guys. Thank you so much.